QuicKey Pro ELISA kit. 1-step washing, 1-step sample addition. Only 50 microliter sample size. Only 19 minutes operation time is required. High sensitivity and stable performances. Convenient storage. Take out the kit, equilibrate the kit to room temperature. Check its label and internal reagents, and read the instructions carefully. If you have any questions, please contact the manufacturer in time. QuicKey Pro Competitive ELISA Test Principle. Preparation of standard working solution and sample. Centrifuge sample for 5 minutes at 1000 times gravity, 4 degrees. Centrifuge reference standard for 1 minute at 10,000 times gravity, 4 degrees. Add 1 ml of reference standard and sample diluent. Stand for 1 to 2 minutes. Add same volume of reference standard and sample diluent to each tube. After standing, mix the standard thoroughly with a vortex meter of low speed. Centrifuge the solution for 1 minute at 800 times gravity. Take the same volume of standard solution and dilute it. Mix thoroughly with a vortex meter. Dilute the standard in turn. The last tube is regarded as a blank. Preparation of enzyme-labeled antibody working solution. Take 5,940 microliter enzyme-labeled antibody dilution. Add 60 microliter of centrifugal concentrated enzyme-labeled antibody to dilute to prepare a 100-fold diluted working solution. Invert it gently for 20 times and set aside. Pipetting. Add 50 microliter standard sample from low to high concentration. Avoid touching the inside wall. Vertically, add 50 microliter prepared samples. Avoid touching the inside wall. Vertically, add 50 microliter per well enzyme-labeled antibody working solution. Avoid touching the inside wall. Cover the plate with sealer and mark the name, time, and abbreviation. Incubate at 37 degrees for 16 minutes. Preparation of one-time washing buffer. Take out 288 ml double distilled water. Add 12 ml of concentrated wash buffer to the double distilled water to prepare a 25-fold diluted working solution. Mix it with the magnetic stirrer for 5 to 10 minutes. Take out the plate, avoid touching the bottom of the wells. Decant the solution from each well. Washing. Pat it dry and replace the absorbent paper. Color development. Vertically at 90 microliter per well substrate reagent. Cover the plate with sealer and mark the name, time, and abbreviation. Incubate at 37 degrees for about 15 minutes. Take out the plate. Avoid touching the bottom of the wells. The last 4 wells show a clear blue gradient of the standard curve. Reaction terminated. Vertically add 50 microliter per well stop solution. The color turns yellow from blue when the stop solution is added. Data statistics. Gently wipe the bottom of the plate. Put the plate into the microplate reader and determine the optical density.